Today I'm unboxing for you a bunch of stuff from Coach and one bag from Tory Burch. I would tell you how much Coach I'm unboxing, but at this point I don't know because I'm going to have to film this in 2 or 3 segments because the package is arriving on different days, and there's one package that has a tracking number, but UPS is still waiting to even get it, and it's been quite a few days since that tracking number was made, and all the other purchases that were made the same day have shipped and have arrival dates. And this one doesn't, so I don't know if that'll be in this video or another video. And I'm also collaborating with one of my YouTube friends, so stay tuned to see what I got, who I'm collaborating with, and where you can find their video as well. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. This video is in collaboration with, drumroll please, Dawn of Dawn Loves Couture. I will have her video linked below in the description box. So as soon as you're done watching mine, you can head over and watch hers, and make sure you subscribe while you're there. And of course, subscribe to me if you haven't already done that, because hello, it's like a requirement. It's like a YouTube requirement. I recently did a video where I talked about some new collections at Coach Boutique and Coach Outlet. And one of those collections in particular caught my eye and caught Dawn's eye, and we both purchased a few pieces from there, and that's what we'll show you today. I also have another bag, not from that collection, from Coach to show you, and I have a bag from Tory Burch. I want to unbox the Tory Burch bag first, because I have it, and then the Coach bag, because I have that, and then you'll see different segments taped with the other items that have shown up in time for me to film and edit this video and get it up for you. The Tory Burch is in here. It's packaged like this, and inside that paper is a Tory Burch gift bag. Their gift wrapping is free, and inside the bag is this dust bag, and inside this dust bag is the bag I purchased, which is quite a bit smaller than I was expecting, and that's why you should always look at dimensions, kids. This is the Miller bag, and it's beaded. It's the beaded Miller bag. Here's a spin of it, all the sides, the bottom. That strip of leather goes all the way around the sides and the bottom. It has this top handle, which is currently wrapped up. It also has a crossbody strap. What I really loved about it is all the beading. And around the edges here, you can tell that's macrame. Am I getting that correct? Is that the right term to use? And these tassel-y things also sold me on the bag. They have these gold bead details with the Tory Burch logo and the knotting, and I thought that was such a pretty detail. There's one over here too, but it's wrapped up. Ooh, the wrapping is coming off. So there it is with the 2 knots. I thought that was very pretty. Now, everything that I purchased, the Tory Burch, the Coach bag, and the other Coach stuff, everything was on sale. I got these in the Labor Day sales. This bag, I believe it was originally $700 or thereabouts, and I got it for $500, maybe it was $600 something. And I saw it and I thought it was so pretty. I love the beading, I love the texture. I just imagine myself feeling the beads and running my fingers across them and feeling them spin, just that sensory wonderfulness. And I liked that the beading was combined with the leather and the leather details and the gold beads. I thought that really elevated it, because you see beaded bags like this and you think craft project or tourist bag, 60s hippie bag, or you remember those beaded backrests that you would put on a seat like in your car? That too. But I thought the leather and the details took it to another level. I also loved that it had the top handle and the crossbody strap, and I imagined wearing it up against me and it being, because of the beads, kind of squishy and forming to me like my Louis Vuitton Touraine does. But this leather is quite stiff, so I'm not sure that's really going to happen. And you can pull the sides and cinch the bag where it goes in more like this shape. So that could be interesting too. Seeing it in person, I'm not sure I love it as much as I did in the photos, but that's one of the reasons I ordered it, was to see it in person. So this one I'm gonna have to have a think on. That's why I haven't unwrapped anything for you in case I send it back. Now let's see what I got from Coach. This is another piece I'm not sure about, but mostly it's the color. The color is called Sunset, And from the photos online, I just couldn't tell what the color really was. So again, it's something I had to see in person. I haven't had time to drive up to the outlet to see it, so I just ordered it, and I figure I can always send it back if I need to. So these are the two pieces I've been questionable about, but the rest of the things you'll see from the collection that Dawn and I really liked, pretty certain those are going to be keepers. That's the plan. I see the color a little bit, but I still can't quite tell. It appears to be orange. Definitely not what I was expecting. It looked much more pink in the pictures. Like an orangey pink, but more pink. This is the smaller of the two Andy bags. This is the one that I said in that Coach video looks a lot like the Loewe Flamenco bag. And this also has a crossbody strap. I learned about this from Winnie B LV, so I'm gonna link her video below if you wanna know more about this bag. Orange is not my color. I'm gonna return this. I may get it in the black though. I was wishing they had it in like an Hermes gold, a nice neutral brown leather. That's what I really want this bag in. I'm gonna just take these little pieces of styrofoam off because I know I can put those back on. And well, I can't really do what I was gonna do. The bag cinches and then it has a crossbody strap. And one thing I also really like about these bags is they have silver hardware. It's actually gunmetal. Looks almost black on the screen there, but that's a really nice find. I like the silver hardware with it. I also love the horse and carriage. It's visible, but it's subtle. And it's one of those if you know things in terms of branding. The interior on this is a deep brown. And it looks like there's a slip pocket here and a zippered pocket on the back. Yeah, I'm liking this. I think I'll get it in black. The leather feels nice on this bag. The construction feels nice. And when I did the spin, I didn't show you the bottom. So here's what the bottom looks like. And the top, even though it's stuffed, you can get a little sense of it there. Oh, in addition to the crossbody strap, it also has a little handle, a short strap. So that's nice. Cool. Yeah, I like this bag a lot. I just need a different color. Now let's transition and see what else I got from Coach. Autumn from the future here. Another package from Coach has arrived. This is the one I'm most excited about. I have some bad news though. I ordered 3 pieces from this collection. This has 1 piece in it. The other package that has the other 2 pieces isn't arriving until the day before this video goes up. And under normal circumstances, I might be able to pull that together. Film, edit, upload, all of that the night before, the morning before, and get it up for Saturday morning. However, 2 things, this being a collaboration with Dawn, I don't want to risk not doing it or getting it up late because then that affects another person. But also, I haven't been able to upload from home for a week now because the tower that our Wi-Fi works from isn't working. So I'm having to go somewhere else to upload videos. My video last weekend was supposed to go up on Saturday. It didn't go up till Sunday because Saturday's the day all this started. And we spent Saturday trying to figure it out. I ended up getting up and going to Starbucks at about 7 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday to upload that video, and it took an hour and a half. It usually takes about 10 or 15 minutes. Ultimately, what I'm saying here is those last 2 items I'm going to have to put in another video. They'll probably be in Tuesday's video. Okay, let's see what's in here. If I could only show you one of the 3 pieces, this is probably the best one because this piece has a little bit of everything. Almost. So it'll give you a good idea about the collection. This collection is from Coach Outlet. This will just slide it out. All right, let me unwrap everything. And I'm actually going to take all of the stuff off because I do want to keep this piece. This is the one I've been most excited to receive. I got the trio pouches from the Creatures collection. I'll bring it closer. As the name would suggest, the trio pouches has 3 pouches, each with a different print from the Creatures collection. That's what I love about this, is you get a little bit of several different things. The small pouch has the light signature CC with the little baby chicks, which by the way, they call that pattern tossed chicks, which I think is really strange. The second pouch is the regular brown signature CCs, and it has kitty cats. Very cute. And the last pouch is the graphite signature CCs with the little puppy dogs. They're precious. The chicks has a yellow trim. The kitty cats has a pink trim. The dog pouch has black trim. It has a tiny Coach hang tag, and they're all connected on this O-ring with this leather wristlet strap. The wristlet strap and the 3 leather zipper pulls are all brown leather, and this O-ring does open up so you you could take the pouches off of it. You could use the wristlet strap on its own for something else or for one of these, or you could carry each of these individually, which is my plan. Here's the wristlet strap all by itself. The interior of the chick pouch, it's lined in this brown fabric, and each of the pouches has coach and raised metal. The piping goes all the way around, and these have the champagne colored hardware. Speaking of which, there's something in here that I did not know about. Let me show you. There's a key ring attached, and since each piece has the little D-ring here, you could clip that onto something else as well. Just notice this also has a little bit of yellow trim here and here. Here's the cat pouch. The interior looks like this. Difficult to see, but it has 2 card slots and a larger slip pocket back here. Bits of pink trim here and here, and the dog pouch. So they all have the same brown interior. You can see the card slots on this one better. It has exactly the same 2 card slots and then one big slip pocket that goes the length or the width of the pouch. Speaking of, it's time to give dimensions. This pouch, the largest one, is 9.5 inches long and 7 inches tall. It's just the right size for an iPad mini, which I have in this case. The medium pouch is 7 3/4 inches across and 5.5 inches tall. There's how my iPhone 10 compares. The smallest pouch is 5 1/4 inches across and 4 inches tall. My iPhone would be too long to fit inside. Here's how it compares to a Louis Vuitton clay. These appear to be excellent quality. I'm very happy with them. They are definitely staying in my collection. When I purchased them, they were $134. I think that's well worth it, particularly if you compare those prices to some luxury prices, where a trio pouch like this at Louis Vuitton would be closer to $1,000. If you love animals, you probably need this in your collection, or at least something from the Creatures collection. And of course, I will have these and the rest of the collection linked in the description box below. Please be sure to check back with me on Tuesday to see the rest of what I got from this collection. I'm sorry it didn't arrive in time. And now please go over to Dawn Loves Couture's channel, that will also be linked below, and check out what she got from the Creatures collection. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.